How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you've enabled the Wi-Fi option and make sure that your airplane mode is turned off. Once you've done with this, now you just need to simply right click on your Windows and go with the device manager. Under your device manager, you need to go with network adapters and then select the option in which you're facing the problem. And after that, right click on it, go with properties. Under properties, you will have power management and make sure that you've selected allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. And once you've selected that, you just need to simply go with OK and apply. After that, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just open up your settings or just simply search for power options and it will take you to the power options under your system settings. Just click on it. Here under your power mode, make sure that you've selected the balanced option. And after that, you can just simply search for control panel and open up your control panel. And once you're under the control panel, you just need to simply go with the power options. So search for the power options, which is right here. Go with change plan settings and then go with change advanced power settings. Now go with wireless adapter settings and then go with power saving mode. And here you need to go with on battery and plugged in. So you just need to simply select maximum performance under both of those. Once you've selected, go with apply and OK. Now the other thing you need to do is just open up your command prompt, search for CMD and then go with run as administrator. Click on yes and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply enter a command which is netsh space winsock space reset and then hit the enter. After that, you need to enter the second command, which is netsh inp space ip space reset log dot txt and then hit the enter. Once you've done with it, just wait for a few seconds till it loads and then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't, then move on to the last solution, which is you just need to simply go with your control panel again, go with network and sharing center and click on the Wi-Fi option, which is right here, and just go with properties section. Now under properties, go with internet protocol version 4, go with properties again. And now if you've selected the manual address, then you just need to simply go with automatically under both of these. Once you've selected automatically, just go with OK and apply. And just go and restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.